Hi there, students. Ataraxia, great word, or ataraxy also. Um, okay, ataraxia or ataraxy is a noun, an uncountable noun. It means to be relaxed, to be free of anxiety, freedom from emotional problems, things that are worrying you emotionally. So, ataraxia is a wonderful state to be in. Enjoying a state of ataraxy, my mind is clear to do all the things that I need to do. Okay, I think in this modern world, ataraxia is a state of mind that is very, very difficult to attain. Yeah, I think maybe this word it might be a little bit medical. Yeah, but effectively a peace of mind, a tranquility of mind. There's nothing disturbing your emotion, so you feel calm and relaxed. Yeah, ataraxia, a really great word. Serenity, tranquility, repose, quiet. So, I lay on the deserted beach in a state of pure ataraxia. I think probably for me it would be lying down in a forest, listening to the birds and animals. That's what would create a state of ataraxy for me. When you're not worried about anything, everything is fine and well, you don't have any worries at all. Nothing is worrying you. But the problem is, yes, there's always how am I going to pay the rent, or how am I going to pay the mortgage, or what's going to happen to my brother-in-law, or things like that. And that's what makes ataraxia or ataraxy a state that is, well, I think it's theoretical, because I think as humans we're always worried about different things. Okay, so ataraxy. As to formality, this is a formal word. I think very literary as well. I think I'm going to give it a 7.5 in formality. Don't use it informally. Tranquility, yeah, free of worry free, something like that. Could you use it in a semi-formal conversation? I think people are going to ask you, what does that mean? So probably best not. Use it for a semi-formal or formal writing, particularly something literary. Would sound very good. And then as to origin, this word actually comes from ancient Greek, ataraxia in ancient Greek. The A at the beginning is a negative prefix meaning without. And tarasso, yeah, the taraxia part, tarasso, means trouble or disturb. So without troubles, without disturbance. So, how would you attain a state of ataraxia? Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ataraxia, ataraxy.